Today we're going to talk about the Credit CEO philosophy and what I aim to achieve for you. The reason I started coaching people on their credit 20 years ago was I was in the mortgage industry, and a lot of people would apply for loans and had really bad credit. And mortgage people, most of them are paid on commission only. So they only get paid when they close loans. So most people would turn down the borrowers with bad credit and give them no solution. So what I would do is I would work with them, improve their credit, get them the loan, and then close the loan. So I'd fix their credit, then get them approved for the loan, then get them in the house. And that was something I was doing differently than other people. And when the financial collapse happened and mortgage companies closed down and not a lot of people were getting mortgages, I had to figure out something else to do. And I was really, really good at the credit repair thing. So that's how I personally got into doing this. And then I ended up writing a couple books on credit and business credit, things like that. My passion for this really came in when I was working to repair my own credit. It was before I was doing the mortgage stuff. And I hired a company that, how do I say it without getting in trouble, that acted as a law firm, but isn't actually a law firm? Can I say that? And what happened is they charged me monthly and they didn't do a lot. And I found out they were pretty scammy, and what they were doing is they were only challenging one account at a time with one credit bureau. Well, that one account is reporting to 3 credit bureaus, and so they're really just sandbagging you, and their goal is to keep you in the program for as long as possible. So I learned the skills on how to repair my own credit. Then I brought it to the mortgage business and started helping other people repair their credit. And then I brought it to CreditCEO and helped you repair your credit. Our philosophy is so much deeper than credit repair. Most credit repair places just want to repair your credit, send you on your way without giving you the next steps. And here's the vision that I have for my students and followers is I'd like you to be debt-free. I'd like you to get your house paid off early. I'd like you to drive a paid-off car. I'd like you to only use credit cards for the cashback rewards and never pay a penny in interest to the banks. I'd like you to travel to exotic destinations with little to no money out of pocket. I'd like you to have a really nice house with no payments. I'd like you to be able to retire early. And the thing getting in the way for most people is debt. High interest debt, credit card debt, car loan debt, mortgage debt. Think how much money we could free up if you had no payments other than utilities and your cell phone bill. It would open up a lot of doors to freedom. Not only that, every single time you swipe your credit card, you're actually saving money. Anywhere between 2 to 10%. Where I'm going right now, a golf course, I have a credit card that gives me 10% cash back on golfing. When I go to the gas station, I have a credit card that gives me 4% cash back on gas at any gas station. Or if I go to Costco, I get 5% cash back on gas. Credit cards only save you money under one condition, and that's if you pay it off in full every month and you never let the balance roll over to the next month. Most people don't do it that way, and they're the ones who are paying your cashback rewards, as well as the businesses. My goal for you is to help you become a homeowner, to help you own a car, to save you a ton of money, to get you out of debt, to help you retire early, and to give you a solid life for your family that is stress-free. These philosophies, they're not just about your credit. It's so much deeper than that. 70% of divorces and relationship problems are caused by money. What I'm teaching you is an insurance policy to your relationship. If you love your wife, if you love your husband, if you love your spouse, the way to guarantee that you're not going to have issues is to have no debt. Let's compare two different scenarios. Scenario one, you're heavily in debt. You've got a mortgage payment, a car payment, credit card payments, and you lose your job. What happens then? Everything goes in the tank. But if you're debt-free and have a small nest egg, $5,000 to $10,000, and you have no payments other than utilities, cell phone, the basics, and you lose your job, you're going to have time to find a new job. It's not going to destroy your credit. It's not going to destroy your family. My goal for you is not only to put you in the best possible financial situation for you, it's to help your family stay together. The relational aspect of what I teach is worth more than what I'm going to save you in money, because I'm going to help save families. Because when things get hard, when the economy changes, when you lose your job because of AI or any other reason, you are going to be able to get back on your feet. It's going to be less stressful. You're going to have a cushion for the fall, and you're not going to get behind. My philosophy is I want my followers and my students to always be ahead. I never want you to be behind. And when you run a credit card balance over to the next month, you're behind. Even if you don't miss a payment, you're behind. And the only people winning are the banks. And that's how they're able to afford big, beautiful buildings on every single block. So if you like our philosophy and any of this resonated with you, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps me out to reach more people. If you have any questions about your credit, about our philosophy, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. I may even make a video directed at you.